If you've got an Excel spreadsheet document and you want to share it with someone, you can just send the document as it is. Alternatively, you can also convert it to PDF so that your documents won't be edited and will only show the spreadsheets. So if you want to know how to do that, you can follow these steps in this video tutorial. Now, one way you can convert an Excel spreadsheet to PDF is to use the Save As feature within the Microsoft Excel. To do so, with your current file open in the program, go to the File tab, choose the Save As option, and in the Save As file type, choose PDF rather than the default XLXS format. Another way to convert an Excel spreadsheet to PDF within Microsoft Excel is to use a Print to PDF. Windows includes a PDF printer by default, which means you can print any document to a PDF format easily. And to print the spreadsheet to PDF, all you have to do is go to the File tab, choose Print, select the Printer option, and choose the Microsoft Print to PDF. But if you don't have Microsoft Excel installed and still need to convert an Excel spreadsheet to PDF, then an online tool such as the one from Adobe may be helpful, since Adobe offers a free Excel to PDF online converter. And to access it, all you have to do is open any browser, go to this website, press Enter, upload your Excel spreadsheet, then download the converted PDF document. Now those are the different ways on how you can convert an Excel spreadsheet to a PDF document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.